Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your heat map with the Unit 1 test analysis. Now you'll find the presentation for the questions and the correct answers in the description box below this video. But when you enter in, and remember, you can write on your Scantron if you need to. When you enter in your data onto this heat map, you're going to take one additional step when you're done. So, for example, for general statistics and science, we are going to start in the same, we're going to start under the Unit 1 test column with the same idea where you type in here the number of questions you got correct out of the number of questions that were possible. So for the general science and statistics, there are 5 questions possible. So if you get all 5 of them correct, you would type the equal sign, and it's very important that you type the equal sign. And then you type the number you got correct. So let's say you got 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5, however many you got right according to the test analysis. So I'm going to put on mine 4 out of 5 correct, and then hit enter. And this will automatically change colors for you. So this box right here changed to the percentage. Now, if yours not changing to percentage, if it's changing to a date, what you'll do is you'll come up here to format with the box highlighted. You'll go to format, you'll go to number, and you can either do plain text or I recommend percent. You may need to type in your value again if it comes up with some weird high number. But once you do that, then it'll correctly put it as the percentage. So you'll do the same thing. And then what you're going to do now for this total column is you're going to add up the total number of questions you've had correct on this topic. So that includes on the quiz on macromolecules and the Unit 1 test. So what you may have to do is click on the first box. So you can see up here, I got 11 out of 12. So I'm going to write down just a note to myself that I got 11 out of 12 for the first one. Then on the second block, I got 4 out of 5. So 4 out of 5. And by the way, if this box keeps getting in your way, just go ahead and click the little check mark so that you can resolve it and it'll go away. So again, you click on this first box for general statistics, you see 11 out of 12 for me. Then I click on the box for the Unit 1, you see 4 out of 5. So here on the total, what I'm going to do is put the total number that I've gotten correct so far. So over here, I had 11 plus 4. So 11 plus 4 is how many I've gotten right so far, equals. So 11 plus 4 is 15 out of the number of points that were possible. So the number of points that were possible, there was 12 and 5. So that's out of 17. And so I'm going to put 15 out of 17. And now that's my total moving forward. So when I do my next total column after the Unit 2 test, I can add up my grand total. And that's really the one we want to focus on the most, is what happens with these grand totals, because we want to see, is it getting better or is it getting worse? Now, in the case of ecology, there was no ecology questions on the first macromolecules quiz. So when we type in the number of questions correct here that we got on the test, so for example, for ecology, there were 9 questions total. Let's say I got 8 of them right out of 9. Then I would type in 8 out of 9. And when I hit enter, it gives me my percentage. And that's going to be the same value right here. So equals 8 out of 9. And the reason we have this total column, this is the most important one, is because when we then go in and add our totals again, instead of counting this one plus this one plus this one plus this one plus this one to get this grand total, we can get just from this box, which already includes these 2, and add it to these ones right here to get our grand total up to this point. Now, it may not seem like a big deal right now, But after the semester exam, you're going to see that over here, we're going to have to add this one plus 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 this one to get our grand total. So if we just keep track of it here, our total number 1, total number 2, then calculating total number 3 will be much faster. I hope this video was helpful for y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, the analysis itself is in the description box below this video. Bye.